Hi, welcome to Vidyabidam. This is Nitya. Today we are going to learn about endocrine system part 2. I'm already uploaded part 1. Those who are not watched part 1, please watch it. And if you like this video, means please like, share and subscribe to Vidyabidam. So let us start today's section. Let us revise the part 1. There are two types of glands in our body. First one, exocrine gland. Second one, endocrine glands. Exocrine glands means they are ducted glands. These glands produce their secretion through a particular duct. Example, salivary glands, liver and sweat glands. Next one, endocrine glands. They are ductless glands. They have the secretion directly into blood streams. So they are pass their secretion directly to blood streams. There are 9 types of endocrine glands. First one, hypothalamus. Second one, pituitary gland. Third one, thyroid gland. Fourth one, adrenal gland. Fifth one, pancreas. Sixth one, thymus gland. Seventh one, pineal gland. Eighth one, testes. Ninth one, ovaries. Testes are present in male. Ovaries are present in females. Yesterday I completed hypothalamus, pituitary and thyroid gland. Today I am going to start with adrenal gland. The next one, adrenal gland. The adrenal glands sit atop the kidneys, that is, they are situated in the top of the kidneys. These glands produces over 150 hormones that regulate different functions in the body. Outer part of the adrenal gland is known as adrenal cortex. Inner part of the adrenal gland is known as adrenal medulla. The inner part of adrenal gland medulla produces 2 hormones. First one, adrenaline. Second one, noradrenaline. That is, the inner part of the adrenal gland medulla produces 2 hormones. First one, adrenaline, and second one, noradrenaline. Adrenaline and noradrenaline are rapidly secreted in response to stress of any kind during emergency situation. That is, they are secreted in emergency situation. So it is known as emergency hormone, or these hormones are flight or fight. These hormones help the organism to either face a dangerous situation or to avoid it. Both the hormones increases the heartbeat and blood pressure. Emergency hormone is adrenal gland hormones. Noradrenaline is also known as surgical hormones because after surgery it is injected to the patient to control the blood pressure. Group of hormones produced by adrenal cortex are commonly called as corticoids. Adrenal cortex is the outer part of the adrenal gland. It produces hormones. It's commonly called as corticoids. The next one is pancreas. The pancreas is exocrine as well as an endocrine gland that sits behind the stomachs. So pancreas is a exocrine and endocrine gland, and it sits behind the stomach. The pancreas secreted 2 hormones. First one, insulin. Second one, glucagon. Pancreas secretes both digestive enzymes and hormones. The 2 types of cell in the pancreas, first one, alpha cells, second one, beta cells. Hormones secreted by alpha cell is glucagon. Hormones secreted by beta cell is insulin. Insulin and glucagon control the blood sugar level. The normal value of a blood sugar level is 80 to 120 milligram per 100 milli. If pancreas stop functioning in the body, then the level of insulin and glucagon will decrease. The 2 important point is the pancreas secreted 2 hormones. First one, insulin. Second one, glucagon. And there are two types of cells in pancreas. First one alpha cell and second one beta cell. Hormone secreted by alpha cell is glucagon. Hormone secreted by beta cell is insulin. Okay, if pancreas stop functioning in the body, then the level of insulin and glucagon will decrease. Next one, thymus gland. The hormone secreted by thymus gland is thymosin, and thymus gland make white blood cells called T lymphocytes, which is provide immunity to human body. And thymosin is also called youth hormone. Okay, thymus gland produced thymosin, and it is called youth hormone. And thymus gland make white blood cells called T lymphocytes, which is provide immunity to human body. Next one, pineal gland. The pineal gland is located between the two halves of the brain. It was also known as third eye. It produces hormone known as melatonin and serotonin. Pineal gland is located two halves of the brain. It is also known as third eye. It produces two hormones. First one melatonin, second one serotonin. Melatonin plays an important role in the regulation of 24 hours rhythm of our body. So it is called biological clock. Melatonin is also known as sleep hormone. Deficiency of melatonin causes sleeplessness. Serotonin is known as a neurotransmitter. It has an important role in sending messages between nerve cells. So pineal gland produces two hormones, melatonin, serotonin, and the melatonin is known as biological clock. Melatonin is also known as sleep hormone. Deficiency of melatonin lead to sleeplessness. Okay. Then next one, serotonin is a neurotransmitter, and because it's a part of brain. Next one, testes and ovaries. Hormone produced by testes is androgen. It is present in males. Hormone produced by ovary is estrogen. It is present in females. For the implantation of ovum in the ovaries, the hormone produced is progesterone. And progesterone also the hormone of ovary.